Yes, good evening, guys, to all of you. I welcome you all on this wonderful platform that is BYJU'S Exam Prep. Yes, Dhanesh, Malesh, Darshan, Ravan King, Aritro, everybody, good evening. So, guys, this is a very important session for all of mechanical students because today we are going to discuss about what would be the best second paper for mechanical students. Okay. So, guys, yes, Anupam, good evening. Nishant, good evening. So guys, we are starting the session now. So actually there is a confusion between the student that what should be their second paper because a lot of choices are given to the mechanical peoples. So guys, I will be telling you based on the complete research what types of option you will be having from different second papers and in which of the things like in PSUs for MTech where you will have. And guys, with that options I will also give you that while preparing for the examination which combination will be taking the minimum effort, which will be taking the maximum effort. Okay, so that discussion we will also be doing, and I will also tell you that if you guys have a particular interest, then which second paper you should select. So one by one we will be going for each and every discussion, so be ready and do like and share the session. Dusa, good evening. So we are starting the session, guys. So guys, first of all, this is some detail about me, and as this is a generic session, before we start, I would like to tell you that there is a scholarship test on 17th of September. That is 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. You can appear in this and you can get up to 90% scholarship. And guys, tonight at 7:30 p.m., just after this session, you guys can register for a free workshop which I will be taking, and that workshop is related to the ideal preparation strategy for GATE 2024. Okay, is it clear? Yes. So Vavilapalli, good evening. So we are going to start it, and guys, this workshop will be taken by me today. Okay, so this is by me. Okay, and there is one more workshop on 20th September will be taken by Abhinav Negi sir, and that is related to the how to get 80 marks in GATE with a 75% syllabus. Okay, you can register for this workshop also for free. Darshan, you will get the link in my Telegram channel for the workshop. There you can register for it. It is a free workshop, and these are the batches. Crash course have been started for all the branches. Okay, and you would be getting this crash course within 350 hours. We would be completing the entire syllabus of GATE mechanical, and obviously as it is a crash course, so we will be going with both theory and practice, but with less number of derivations and all. Okay, moving further. Okay guys, so first of all we are having these much headings. The first heading we will not be having much time. What is GATE? Everybody is aware, that's why you are here for the second paper combination. What is the two paper combination? We will talk about that first of all. Then we will see the opportunities by second paper. Then we will see number of options with different second paper, like which second paper, XCPI, which paper is having more number of possibilities. Then we will see the types of options, like which are the types of option you will be getting by a particular second paper combination. Is it clear, guys? Yes. I would also like to tell you here, guys, as you know, revision series was going on. So revision series will be there for strength of material. In the next week, we will be starting it from this Saturday, Sunday only. And we will be starting this. This will go for entire week. And we will complete all the strength of material topics with revision of formulas plus with the practice. Darshan, and we will be having theory of machines sessions after that strength of material series. Theory of machines session for 2 chapters will be there in this week that I will be telling you on the Telegram. Let us concentrate on this session right now. Okay, so guys, first of all, what is GATE paper? You know that. So just quickly let us see. You will be having 65 questions, 3 hours time, 100 marks. You know there are 3 types of question. One is MCQ, other is MSQ, other is NAT. You know that when we are talking about MCQ, they are the most old type of questions which are coming, and NAT after that started, and now from last 3 years we are having MSQ also. So guys, you know MCQ is 1 option correct out of 4. MSQ is more than 1 option can be correct. And my dear, then we are talking about NAT or fill in the blanks type of question. So I will be telling you about revision series after this session. And guys, when we are talking about this 65 question, and 100 marks. You know, for that, what are the types of question? You know, around 28 marks is allotted to what? Allotted to aptitude, mathematics, and the rest is there for the technical part. So this is a complete table which will give you an idea. You know, first of all, examination mode is going to be online. 3 hours is the duration. And when we are talking about the number of section, then my dear, when we are talking about like GA and core discipline, or GA, engineering, mathematics and core discipline, these will be the combinations. For engineering student, we will be having general aptitude and engineering, mathematics and core subjects. Okay, so my dear, when we are talking about the nature of question, I already told you total number of questions, already told you number of subject in which GATE paper is taken. It is 29, and it is, you know, this year DA paper is also added. So these are the number of papers which they are taking. Okay, you will be appearing for 2 papers at the maximum amount of these. Now, my dear, I would like to tell you about the marking scheme. Either question will be of 1 mark each or 2 marks each, and there will be negative marking. For 1 mark, 0.33 marks will be deducted. For 2 marks, 0.66 marks will be deducted. MSQ and NIT will not be having any negative marking. And one more thing I would like to add, guys, key. When we are talking about this, you know, 15 marks will be allotted to aptitude part plus English part, 13 marks is allotted to mathematics part, and rest, my dear, 72 marks are allotted to technical. This will be for the mechanical paper, civil paper, PI paper, all other papers except XC. For XC, maths will be of 15 marks and this will be of 70 marks. So for XC paper, 2 marks of this are allotted to maths only, and you will be having 70 marks technical. Sir, XC के लिए best possible, हाँ, I will be telling you that also. Let's move further. So guys, we have seen what GATE is. Now the point is, can appear for 2 papers in the same year? Because when I asked to the student for the first time this in the class, they were saying, sir, can we appear for 2 papers in 1 year? Yes, that is why 2 paper combination we are talking about. So when you will be filling the form, they will be asking you how many paper you want to appear. Option will be either 1 or 2. Okay, you can appear in 1 paper also, you can appear in 2 paper also. So my dear, if you are thinking like, sir, who should appear in 1 paper only, who should appear in 2 papers? If you are already a job doing person, you do not have much interest for MTech, you just want to go for PSU, then my dear, you would be getting the PSU selection only based on your core branch from which you are doing BTech. Like for mechanical student, ME paper will be the first choice if you are looking for PSU, and it will be having the best options, maximum number of options for MTech also from IIT, ISE and NIT. So first preference should only be mechanical if your BTech is from mechanical. If your BTech is from production and industrial, then first option should be P&I. If your branch of BTech is aeronautical or aerospace, then your first paper should be aerospace. Why? Because my dear, your first paper code and your BTech, they should be same, because whatever the possibilities are coming in PSUs, they are majorly coming from this first paper code majorly. Like for mechanical, whatever possibility will be there, on that only a mechanical student can claim. If you are a mechanical BTech, you are appearing in P&I, then if any PSU is coming from P&I, they will not be taking BTech mechanical. So that is the point. If you are in a BTech in particular branch, your first paper should be that. If you are looking for PSU, in that case, you need not to appear for any second paper. And if you are looking for that, I want to do MTech, okay, then my dear, definitely the second paper can be a good choice. So second paper will not give you PSU. Rarest of rare chance if it happens, that I cannot say, but otherwise till date, if you see, there is no chance of PSU from the second paper. So guys, do like and share this session so that other students can also join it. So yes, you can appear for 2 papers. I already told you those who are looking for PSU need not to appear for 2 papers. They can go only for 1 paper. Then my dear, if those students who are ready for MTech, who want to do just either PSU or MTech, just they want to get settled down from GATE. For them, yes, second paper is a good option. Now, my dear, the question is, what are the various options available? As this session is completely dedicated to mechanical peoples, so I will be telling you only for mechanical. For mechanical, what are the options we have? AE. What is AE? AE is related to what? AE is related to aerospace engineering. Then the second option is DA. DA is what? DA is data science and artificial intelligence. What is IN? Instrumentation. Where is instrumentation? IN, instrumentation engineering. Then we have NM. What is NM? Naval architecture and marine engineering. Then PI. What is PI? Production and industrial engineering. Then XC. What is XC? XC is engineering sciences. So guys, this DA, then we have IN, then we have AE, then we have NM, then we have PI, then we have XC. All these are the options available for mechanical students. Now, my dear, the question comes, which out of these should be your second paper? For that, this session is there. Okay, guys. So we will see now, particularly with the research, with the options available, with the types of option available, and with the GATE syllabus, which should be the best option for us. So one by one, we will be entering into that. So you are knowing now what are the various possibility for you. You can go for aerospace, DA, IN, NM, PI, and XC. Okay, so my dear, now I would be talking about that. What are the various benefits we have already talked about. So I would like to say, if you are appearing for second paper, why it is beneficial for MTech? Because increased chances of selection. My dear, I know many students who appeared last year for GATE 2 papers. Okay, many students, like one of the student Teju was there. There are many. So I have seen those students have appeared for mechanical PI, mechanical XC, whatever the choice is available. So my dear, their first paper was on an average side. So they were getting NITs from that score, whatever they got in the first paper. But from the second paper score, as they were scoring very well. So my dear, because of that, they were getting IITs and they got admission right now, and they are pursuing their MTech from IITs. So my dear, why this is happening? Because my dear, there are many possibilities. First possibility is, maybe on the first paper day, your day would be harder. You may not be able to perform well. This may happen. Second thing, the main paper is having more syllabus, more number of subjects. You may not be good at all the subjects. If you are good in 2-3 subjects, then that second paper can help you better. So in that case, the chances of selections are improved. And also, in simple words, you are getting 2 chances in the 1 year. Otherwise, previously at our time, we need to wait for 1 more year for the second chance. So you are getting 2 chances in 1 year. Okay. So more scope in future. As you know, every GATE score is valid for 3 years. Maybe in upcoming future, if government is coming up with some of the schemes which are going to be beneficial and which would be taking branch preference may not be there, paper code preference may not be there. Like there are some management courses, like in NIT Mumbai previously there, this year may not be there, because you know now NIT Mumbai became IIM. So previously at NIT Mumbai, it was there that in NIT Mumbai, whatever the courses were there related to MBA, there any GATE branch, any GATE paper code was eligible. So maybe in future, you will get some of the management programs where they would be accepting any GATE score. So that can be a future possibility also. Now we are moving further, guys. So do like and share the session. We are moving further into a wonderful detail. Okay. Before going into that, I am moving next. You know that here the risk is going to be reduced for you as you are going for the second paper. So my dear, first of all, I would tell you that second paper, what can it provide you? So, you know, previously we were having top 7 IITs. Now we are having a large number of IITs, around 23 IITs are there. And in majority of the IITs, you know that MTech courses, PhD courses are started. So any MTech and PhD course, you know, PhD, the stipend is quite high, more than 30,000. For MTech, stipend is 12,800. So whatever that you are going to get, for that GATE is mandatory. Okay, GATE is mandatory. Even if you are pursuing, you have completed your MTech, you are looking for PhD. If you are GATE qualified candidates, you may not to go for any written test for PhD. Okay, that is also a benefit. So my dear, these all IITs, majority of them have started MTech programs, and they are having some of the branches with the second paper combination. You would be saying, sir, what are those branches? Like if you are a mechanical candidate, but you want to change your field, like one of my students, Shivam, he was having an interest in the data science. So my dear, 2 years back when he have performed well in GATE, he joined a PSU. After leaving that PSU, because he was having interest in coding, he joined with the same GATE score in the after 1 year of his PSU work. He joined NIT Surathkal for the course of data science. And when he joined there, after the 2 years, he got a package of more than 40 lakhs. Because he was getting interest. I'm not saying data science is a branch where you can get any. You may be having a question also. Sir, previously that this DA paper was not there, how he got selected? For that only this session I am taking. That in the NITs, IITs, data science branch was previously also eligible for the mechanical students from the mechanical gate score only. So that is why if even you want to appear for that you need not to go for DA paper. Yes, DA paper would be having more options, but you need to see that preparing for DA paper is like preparing for 2 gate syllabus parallelly, which is nearly impossible task. So that is why maybe some of you may be thinking DA is very good option. Maybe for those who have already made their mind, they are only going for one thing, that is data science. For them it can be a good paper. Otherwise from mechanical also you can get that. What is that? Data science MTech. So guys, here I want to tell you that if you are from mechanical but you want to go for MTech in aeronautical, you want to go for MTech in automobile, you want to go for MTech in ocean engineering, you want to go for MTech in environment, okay, you want to go for MTech in biomedical. So if you are having any that kind of mentality that you want to change your field, then my dear, this second paper can help you a lot, because there are many such branches in IITs, ISC which are taking admissions for those second papers, like from XC, like from PI, like from NM, like from AE, they are taking. You may be saying, sir, are they taking from mechanical? Yes, but on the same side, you know that mechanical is having more competition, more students would be appearing, and with the mechanical there is one possibility that the number of seats also matters. Sometimes like they are having for aeronautical, let us say they are having 18 seats of MTech. Then maybe they are taking 10 seats only from aerospace engineering paper. Maybe they are taking only 3 candidates from mechanical. So that is how the second paper can help you, even though first paper is also eligible for the same. Okay, then what will be that I am coming, Arithro, thoda sa patience raho, keep patient, I am coming on to that. Okay, I will be showing each and everything. Similarly, my dear, now all the NITs also taking the admissions into MTech from the second paper. Many students I have seen got selected. Their first paper was not qualified. From the second paper, they got top NIT, NIT Warangal, NIT Trichy. So this second paper is like second chance in the same year. So you should appear in the 2 paper combination, that is for sure. Then there is a college, Punjab Engineering College, Chandigarh. You know Kalpana Chawla. About Kalpana Chawla, everybody would be aware. She have done BTech from PAC Chandigarh only. So they are also accepting the second paper, and here also aeronautical branch is there. So these are the multiple options which can help you. So guys, now I am coming to tell you that if you are talking about the more number of options available. So if you add IITs and NITs, both options, they will be very big in number. So I have taken the total number of options, like from XC, if you are giving second paper, what are the various MTech options you have? So my dear, with XC, you are having the maximum option. Second, P&I. Third, IN. Fourth, aerospace. Fifth, naval research and marine engineering. Sixth, data. Why 6 it is? Because this is going to be for the first time. We are not aware until NITs and IITs give their notifications. So I have made this table by looking at all the options available with different branches. Now you may be thinking, so sir, shall we go for XC just by closing our eyes? Because you are saying, I am not saying that. Listen to me properly. Yes, more number of options are there with XC. But if you want to pursue the MTech with production technology or CAD CAM in various IITs, then my dear, P&I would be good option for you. So that also matters, that what is your interest. If you are looking for MTech from production and industrial, MTech from CAD CAM, then my dear, XC is not a good option for you. You must appear for P&I then. Okay, so if you are looking for MTech in production, MTech in CAD CAM, then more options of that branch would be there with P&I. If you are looking for MTech in design, MTech in thermal, or MTech in the other branches like ocean technology, ocean engineering, or you are looking for, let us say, climate, or you are looking for something like that, which is just not a core field of yours. Okay, for that, my dear, XC is a very good choice, because with XC you are having more number of options. more number of options. And if you want a complete list of those options in IIT and ISC, then I am giving you my email ID. You can mail me. I will share you the complete list also of IITs and ISC branches which are taking from XC, P&I, IN, AE, NM and DA. Here I am giving you the idea, but if you want the complete list, then my dear, for that you can mail me. I will be sharing you that. This is dheeraj.s2. Okay, I am giving other email ID rather than this. I am giving you the second one. That is sardana.dheeraj@gmail.com. Or you can also join my Telegram channel, and there I will also be sharing you that list. That is Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. So guys, now I was talking you about, if you are talking about IN, we have kept this IN at the third position. Why not I have kept aerospace at the third position? Because more number of options are available with IN. What is IN? Instrumentation. But my dear, if you have more interest or more inclination towards the branches of ECEE, electronics and electrical and instrumentation, like that, so my dear, for that IN would be a very good option, because with IN you are going to have more number of options, but not related to mechanical. If you have made your mind to change your branch to the ECEE type, then my dear, IN would be the best choice for you. So for production, P&I is the best choice. For electronics, electrical, if you want to go there in those branches, then IN would be the good option. If you are looking for aeronautical, aerospace only, then my dear, you need to appear for aerospace engineering, because this aerospace engineering, when I am talking about, there are some IITs for MTech, they are not allowing the XC branch. They are taking candidates from either mechanical or AE, if you are talking about aeronautical or aerospace MTech. Okay, then my dear, we are talking about naval research and marine. So if you want to do your masters related to that, then my dear, this would be a good option. But total number of options are lesser with this as compared to other options. Last one I have kept DA, because for DA I can understand that related to data science branches, whatever will be there with that MTech, if you want to do, then you would be having this option, a better option. But as I said, that preparing for this is going to be preparing for 2 GATE syllabus parallelly, which is not going to be a good option. I will never recommend any mechanical student to go for this DA paper. I will recommend you that this should be the sequence, but at the same time, if your interest for MTech is production branch, industrial branch, then you must go for P&I. If you are having your interest in thermal design part, you must go for XC. But for XC also, if you find the option, you will have some choices. Like maybe you can go for MTech design if you are taking the paper combination in that, in XC also, strength of material as a subject. So for that I would also tell you, but for the timing, if you ask me, the top combinations is, that is ME plus XC, ME plus PI. These should be the first 2 best options. Okay, and third should be ME plus AE. So this is best overall. If you don't have any choice, this is best if you want to do your MTech in production. This is best if you want to do your MTech in aeronautical. Okay, aeronautical or aerospace. And my dear, then if you want to appear for ECEE branch, then the best will be MEIN. If you want to go for data science, then it is ME plus DA. So based on that, we will classify it. But if you don't have any particular interest, go for mechanical and XC, mechanical and PI. Okay, now I am looking at some of the questions of yours. So you are saying, Darshan, which branch will make? Dear, there is no branch which will be making money. It will be your work which will be making the money. Okay, money can be made from any field, but you should be at the top in that field. Vivek Kumar Sharma, for PhD or P&I? PhD, dear, for PhD any GATE score would be there, but the point is, you want to pursue the PhD from which topic? Is it related to production or is it related to design and thermal? Based on that. Okay, sir, I didn't get my answer. Aritro, I didn't see your question. Sir, can I get MTech in IIT Aerospace? Aritro, few IITs are giving that, like there are many IITs, so some of the IITs are giving that opportunity, some are not. But if you are talking about, if you are particularly have the aim of aerospace, then ME plus AE will be the better option, because IIT Kanpur will not allowing XC students. Okay, so likewise some IITs are allowing, some are not. Okay, I have answered your कितना syllabus match करता है mechanical से. हाँ, I am coming on to that. Now, my dear, we are talking about with respect to syllabus, which is going to be the best option. So, guys, do like and share, yaar. Like ही नहीं कर रहे हो आप लोग. So, when we are talking about XC, syllabus wise, also XC is going to be the best option. Why XC is going to be the best option? Because if this is mechanical syllabus, this is XC syllabus. So, I want to say XC is the subset of mechanical. XC is the subset of mechanical. If you have prepared for mechanical, XC is automatically prepared. Because in XC, you will be having the choice of two subjects. You can say, sir, why you are writing this? Because I am assuming this, that you will be appearing for either SOM plus thermo, solid mechanics plus thermal, or you will be appearing for FM plus SOM, or you will be appearing for FM plus thermal. I am expecting that you will be appearing for these three only, because for others, syllabus is not matching with us. Why we will be going for polymer science? Why we will be going for those kind of papers? So if you are looking for the easiest one, these three are the easiest option. You can appear for any of these three. My preferable option is solid mechanics plus thermal, because it is not having even a single part out of gate mechanical syllabus. If you talk about fluid mechanics, hardly 5 to 10% syllabus is outside the mechanical syllabus. All other things will be going in between. So if you are preparing for mechanical, your XC will be automatically prepared. You just need to go for PYQs of XC, keeping that in mind that you are going for these three combination. Okay, are you getting it? But my dear, when we are talking about this that P&I branch, okay, so P&I have kept it on second, because P&I also have some extra syllabus, 20 to 30%. That is in the part of production, and it is not like this extra syllabus is there and design thermal also you need to study completely. No. So there in P&I, major weightage is given to production industrial. You will be getting very less weightage of thermal and design part. So my dear, that's why as I said, if you are going for P&I, 20 to 30% extra production you need to study, and you will be getting relaxed in the design thermal part for that. Is it clear? Sir, so may engineering mechanics ka base कच्चा है, we should go for FM and thermal. If you are not strong in that, then you can go for FM and thermal. That is also fine. Which is better option to choose to get into ISC? Dear, as I said, that will depend on the branches. I am also showing you some options. ISC Bangalore, material science, climate engineering. They are taking from the XC. You can see IIT Bombay thermal and energy, IIT Delhi energy material science, IIT Chennai energy material science, IIT Patna mechatronics. All these branches you can get from gate XC score. Okay, then my dear, there are some other options. ISC aerospace, XC and AE. ISC management study, all gate papers. ISC bioengineering, XC and AE. ISC quantum technology, all. ISC short manufacturing, all. Radio astronomy, XC. IIT ocean and engineering, XC and AE. Engineering analysis and design, all. Thermal engineering, IIT Madras. That these are the combinations you can see. So guys, if you want that kind of table for all top IITs and ISC, I will be sharing you that if you will be doing a mail to me. Okay, I have already given you one email ID. The second also is dheeraj.s2@byju's.com. There also you can send. I will be reverting you back. Is it clear? So guys, these are the some options where you can appear into. Okay, so I feel everybody understood now. Now, what are the drawbacks of giving two papers? One is you need to pay additional fees. Second is some extra syllabus you need to study if you are appearing into P&I. Okay, then some extra syllabus you need to study. If you are going to appear for DA, entire syllabus is extra only. There is nothing common in that. If you are appearing in aerospace, then also you will get 50-60% syllabus same. Rest 30 to 40% will be extra. Okay, if you are appearing for naval and marine, there are also some extra syllabus. So these are the two branches which are the best according to me. But as I said, that best is if you don't have any personal choices. If you have a choice like Arithro mentioned that I want to do masters from aerospace, then you shall appear for aerospace. Okay, but for aerospace you need to study some extra things also. So main, okay, that I have already answered. Okay, Ritro, you can leave then. There is no issue. This is optional session. Sir, for ISC, if I want to change my branch to aerospace by XC paper, definitely you can go for fluid and thermal based on your choice, dear. Choice of paper in X is yours. If I would be giving the paper, for me, mechanical plus X is the best combination. For mechanical plus thermal, SOM plus thermal. Why SOM plus thermal? Because SOM plus thermal I would be appearing because they both the subjects I love. And for fluid, some syllabus is extra, which you need to study. Okay, but yes, if you are weak in design, then go for thermal plus fluid. But if you are good in design, go for that. But my dear, mind it, if you are going for fluid and thermal, then you would not be getting any design engineering MTech. You will not be getting MTech into the design branches. Okay, from that score, mind it. Okay, so guys, is it clear, sir, for IS? Okay, I have answered all the questions. I feel so. So guys, everybody understood? So according to me, the best is XC or PI. But rest depends on your personal choices. Like if you have a target of aerospace, go for AE then in that case. If you have a target of production, go for P&I then. But if you are okay with any branch of engineering, you are just wanting IITs, you just want ISC, then XC is better in all respect. Okay. Now, if you are talking about the marks, yes, for P&I and XC, cutoff was on little higher side because the paper was easy. The number of subjects was less. But at the same time, competition is also less. So if you are appearing into the exam with proper study, you can get rank under 100 very easily. And with that, you can definitely get whatever you want in the MTech. Is it clear for everyone? इसमें सुनने में आया है कि आईआईटी में डिजाइन में जाना हो तो सोम प्लस शर्मा. हाँ, वही, दैट्स व्हाई विनीत आई वाज सेइंग इफ यू वांट टू गो फॉर डिजाइन देन यू नीड टू अपीयर विद द सॉलिड मैकेनिक्स. इफ यू वांट टू गो फॉर अदर ब्रांचेस रिलेटेड टू फ्लूइड then you should go for fluid and thermal. So that's why that combination matters. But yes, you should go for the, like if you want to go for polymer science, then you need to appear for that paper also. So based on that, definitely it will vary. That's why I said the best is XC because XC have more number of options. But if you stick to something, then obviously you can go for that. Is it clear for everyone? Shall we leave now? Just do like and share the session, guys, before you leave. I have given you all the details. Any question, if there in your mind, you can tell me. We can go for that. So what is the conclusion from my side? That the best combinations are mechanical plus XC, mechanical plus P&I, mechanical plus AE. This is the sequence according to me. Overall, ME plus IN. So rest you can see. This is preferable if you don't have any particular choice. Preferable if you want to pursue MTech in production. Preferable if you want to pursue MTech in aerospace. Preferable if you want to change your field to electronics, electrical. Okay, this should be the sequence. And then for XC, the best combination should be any two out of these three. Solid mechanics, which is strength of material, engineering mechanics, and theory of machines and vibration. Second is fluid. Third is thermal. You can go for any two subject out of these three because in XC paper 70 marks are divided into two subjects, 35 plus 35. And the best part is these three subjects are already there in the mechanical. So you can choose according to your choice. Okay. So I feel I have given the answer to all of your questions, guys. If still you have any doubt, guys, I am giving you my Telegram channel link. You can join that. There I answer all the questions of the student. My Telegram channel is Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. So join that. Whatever your doubts I will be telling you, there you will get the revision plan, you will get handwritten notes, you will get the PYQs, you will get the everything, whatever you want. Vineet, that also you will get by today. But I have already given you an idea about that we are going to start strength of material from Saturday or Sunday. And on Friday, we will keep a session related to the theory of machines, simple mechanism plus velocity and acceleration analysis. So 2 chapters we will be taking off Tom this week. Simple mechanism, velocity, acceleration. Okay, I may add flywheel also. So I will try ki these 3 topics at least we cover in this week. Tonight you will get that. Okay. So goodbye for this particular session. Thanks for joining, guys, and do once again like and share the session. Goodbye.